welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the S key. The S key can be used to bring up a snap line in the Sketch tab of Xactimate. So if I hit S and drop it in here, I have a snap line. What do we use snap lines for? Well, these two rooms aren't next to each other with a shared wall, but they are in the same direction. They're right next to each other. So you can actually use these to bring the room up to the snap line. And you'll see as I move closer, it eventually snaps to the snap line. Same from the other direction. Snaps to. So now I can bring this other room up, right up to that snap line, snap it, and I know it's good. And I can actually move these individual lines as I see fit, bring them down into the corner, snap, snap, and have everything in there. Drop in another snap line over here so I can snap to on this side, and it's snapping on the bottom. So snap lines are super helpful to line things up quickly in the Xactimate Sketch tab. So I wanted to highlight that you can use the S key to bring this up even faster than going up here to the snapline button. This has been another Hotkey Highlight. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next week.